My name is Bernard the Elephant.
Bernard. It's a pleasure to meet you, Bernard. Bernie.
Talk out of my eyeballs.
I can see that.
I'm a special elephant.
You're a special elephant. Got it.
How you guys doing out there?
Alrighty. What's going on? So is there, my man Warren's got a microphone down here. Were you ever a male cheerleader at one point in your life?
Just now. We're good.
Just now?
But I did hear a fan say earlier she saw a guy with a trunk and two hunks walking around. Now I know what they're talking about. All right, hey, partner.
This is Nick.
Party time.
Can me and my friend Robin get a hug?
I don't know if we can do that right now.
Yes.
We need to take some more questions.
Any questions? Hey, Warren. Oh, yeah, good question.
Nick, what's your favorite holiday?
Favorite holiday? That's a tough one. I'm gonna go with Christmas.
All right, Warren, there's one right up there. Oh, you gotta jump on.
Oh, I'm all about it.
All right. Well, while you're at it, how do you go to the picture right there? Stop.
Nick, I don't remember the